I'm Ryan.
Hi Ryan, nice to meet you. Well, welcome to the house.
Look at this one.
Right here.
Look at this right here. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. We're back with a new setup, new vlog and a new trip. First we're going to head to Los Angeles. Bit of a mad rush to the airport this morning, but we're finally here, so better get boarding. Right guys, we've arrived in LA. Loads of mad stuff going on over the next 10 days. Gonna give you a bit more information on it when we get back to the property. It's the first time we've booked a property on Airbnb, so hope it looks like this, because if it does, it's gonna be unreal. Done a bit of research on it and it's 55 grand a month to rent it, so it's gotta be unreal. Can't wait for you to see it. Right, so we just picked up the hire car. Here's Jack, the co-cameraman for the week. There's Whit. Remember from the last one?
Busy man. They call me the one, it's nice to meet you, man.
Lock him, boys.
Yes.
Makes me awkward. You doing all though, and you're the one with it all.
Time to head back to the mansion. Can't wait to see what it looks like. It's gonna be sick.
Anything you want on this, yeah. Got the script and lost to getting, yeah. I am not the one I think you. Yeah, hey, hold up, yeah. Anything you want on this dish. Got the script and lost to getting rich. Yeah. Why you even talking about your wrist? Yeah. I am not the one I think you miss. Hey, what I need go for. I've been taking shots and bleeding purple for the dawn. I've been in the kitchen with the sauce spilling over. I'm that golden child, I got it in my soul. Hold up, I forgot my manners.
So I'm just gonna end up in this one here.
Garbage ramp here.
Are you serious? And why if it ain't now? I've got to come down the fucking thing.
It's not that.
1, 3, 2.
Yeah, this ain't the one. It's the one next door.
Ah, you're joking. Are you actually joking?
No.
You might be able to tip
Yeah, ain't even that one. What am I gonna do, bro?
Turn round.
Yeah, alright. I'm fucking gonna turn round,
Do you
right?
want me to back you out?
Yeah, if you're like one of them officers.
White gloves.
Oh, fucking hell.
Just trying to find the villa. Just gone the wrong way though in a minute. Whoa. Come on then.
What is it?
You can see it there, it says 749 on the wall.
Keep going, I get up to itself again.
Yeah.
You got my phone with?
No, you probably sat there.
What's the code?
I'm looking now. Hashtag 1029. Yeah!
How the fuck's she afford this?
Looks
Look at the
unreal,
car
doesn't
as
it?
well.
Ask if you, yeah.
Hello.
Hiya.
Hi.
Gotta be on our best behaviour, boys. Hiya.
Hi.
I'm
Adela.
Ryan.
Hi Ryan, nice to meet you. Well, welcome to the house, everyone.
Looks very nice.
Yeah, thank you. This is a king size bed. There's a full bathroom. Inside the bathroom, you guys gonna find a closet to your right side. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Don't really like the view though.
Right here. To turn on this, you'll need the lighter. So you wanna turn on the lighter first and then put this here.
Look at this right here. Got the whip sitting outside. Still waiting on Tom and Max. I think they could be a while.
They could have cut the grass, couldn't they?
Yeah. Fuck, you know, that's the nuts, isn't it? Been it long?
View ain't the best, but
Ain't the best.
it's enough to do, isn't it? Not too shabby, Kev, is it?
Yeah, don't worry.
Love swing over there.
It'll do, won't it? Listen, I've always had that in mind, wherever I lay my head.
Versace.
Seriously, this place is unreal. Can't wait for the sun to set so I can get the new Mavic zoom out and take a proper look at this view. Not sure what the plan is tonight yet. Gonna go and get some drink from the shop because that's important, and then make some plans. See what there is to do in LA.
It's fucking huge. Yeah, it's massive.
I need a sat nav there.
It's here. 11 minutes away.
Right, I need that mirror. What way do we go out this hill?
Probably back down, isn't it? Well, we can park down there.
Have a look. Tell me. Whip. Tell them.
Tell them, Whip. Just going to get some booze down the local supermarket. It's awkward, isn't it? Yeah,
So we just come down to the supermarket, gonna get some drink and a bit of food for later, go back and have a little chill, a little drink, and then see what the plans are. So buzzing to be in LA right now. Also, I'm fully conquering my fear of vlogging in public. Middle of a supermarket, can be done. Right, back from the shops, the sun's setting, so I think there's only one thing to do. I think it's time to bring out the Mavic 2 zoom and try it out on this little site here. Just finished a maiden flight with the zoom. Sick camera. Look at this though. Sun setting over LA. See what the boys are up to around here. So they're up to.
Cheeky little barbecue.
Can have a few drinks. Might end up going out, not sure yet. So we'll see what happens.
I could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night.
It's now 8 PM and looks like we're going to be going out. So we're going to head down to downtown LA, check out the bars, check out the clubs, see what it's like. About getting a shower. Ready? It's decided we are going out. Don't think Pete's too up for it though. Gonna hit up West Hollywood. Not sure what club's gonna go to yet. But I'll take my phone out with me, try and get some footage, and I'll speak to you in the morning if not. Later.
And baby, I know it hurts.